Hi, my name is Nur Aisha Abdul Sharif. I am the team leader for Skyscanner team. So for my previous experience, I have participated in World Drone Competition, which is held in Yokohama, Japan, and we currently able to secure the number 3 for the competition. For this competition, my responsibility is to lead the team and make sure the team actually met the requirement of the mission, and I also are responsible to gain funding for this competition, so we were able to make it the mission to run properly. Thank you.
My name is Hani Sufia and I am the team's assistant manager as well as one of the structure engineer. And my background in public speaking and debate has enhanced our exhibition presentation in which we have actively participated. And my responsibility in Skyscanner is to help assist the structure team and help finding and secure the funding for the team.
Hi, I am Akram Shafa Aznir bin Azrin. So I am the pilot for Team Skyscanner. My previous involvement is a competition related to innovation research exhibition. My responsibility for this team is I am the pilot for this mission.
Hello, my name is Ivo Wilbur Walter and my role in this team is as the software engineer. So previously I was the head of department for logistics and publications for WOW Rocketry Club, and also I participated in international pitching competition about sustainability of Earth. And my current responsibility in this team is to develop the software application and also to assist the structure engineers. Thank you.
My name is Shafiq. My role in this team as a structural engineer. So my previous experience is I have participating in World Drone Competition held in Yokohama, Japan as a structural engineer and a pilot. So in that competition we successfully secure in third place. And my responsibility in this team is a structural engineer where I have conducted design, modifications, and fabrications using CAD, which is a SolidWorks, to meet the structural integrity requirement.
Hello, my name is Ziad Iman Hadi. So I'm the avionic engineer in this team. In my past experience, I already participate in competition regarding innovation, research, and exhibition. In this team, I'm responsible to set up and develop an AI system.
Hi, my name is Nur Shafika binti Hamzah. I am ground station operator. Previously, I participated in World Drone Competition in Japan as ground station operator. My responsibilities are to monitor ground station and make sure all flight checklists are followed.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ziad bin Mahmud. My role for this project is a technical engineer for Skyscanner team. My previous experience is assisting students in competing the World Drone Competition in Japan. Not only that, I also assisted in the multiple competition in Malaysia. So my responsibility for this project is to assist students, especially in avionics system, to make sure the drone fly safe and also as planned.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir bin Wahab. I work as a technical staff at the School of Aerospace Engineering, University of Science Malaysia. I have more than 10 years of experience in building and flying calculator and fixed wing. So I am assigned as a technical engineer to assist the student on drone integration and flight for this team. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Azrul. I am the technical engineer for the Skyscanner team. I have worked 10 years experience in USM and skillful in Qatar. For this competition, I am responsible to assist the student to modify and design changes for the drone.
Okay, why we choose this mission is because Malaysia is very prone to flood, and every year many people have been affected by this situation. So during the end of the year of 2021 and the early year of 2022, we have experienced a very massive flood that actually had affected 8 states in Malaysia. 125,000 people had been affected, and 54 people have been killed by this situation. So actually this mission can help by fasten the rescue mission by locating the victim's location, and this data, the victim's location, can be used by the authorities to actually prioritize the needed people first, such as the older people and the disabled people, so they can actually evacuate first, and the other victim actually they can seek help through this mission because we can actually send out survival things such as medication, food, or any survival equipment such as buoy or float to help themselves during the flight, meanwhile waiting for the authorities to come and rescue them. For the specification of the drone, the takeoff weight of the drone maximum is 15 kilogram, including the payload. The maximum speed that can go is 35 kilometer per hour, and it can cover up until 10 kilometer radius for 30 minutes. For details of mission, our mission consists of two parts. The first part is software application, where the developed software that we made is to gather the victims' data and their current location. The second part is the drone itself, where we send out the drone to send out supplies such as medicine, food, buoy, or float. At the drone, we also implement a camera so we can receive a video footage of the affected area to monitor further, and also we implement an AI camera to help with precision tracking of the victim, so we can actually precisely deliver the payload to the victims. For the specification of the drone, the takeoff weight of the drone maximum is 15 kilogram, including the payload. The maximum speed that can go is 35 kilometer per hour, and it can cover up until 10 kilometer radius for 30 minutes.
Stainless dulu baru discount atau auto discount? Auto.
Okay, so now I will demonstrate how the key switch works. I will arm the motor. I will increase the throttle a bit. Done. So now one of the motor died. Okay. So I will disarm. Okay, this one. Jangan break lah. Motor. Jangan kasih ada frame. So, kira itu tembok.
3.
So ni remote ni saya pegang. So nanti kita ulang balik Take off. Akan terbang naik atas. Lepas tu pergi tempat point tadi. Start kat sana tu traffic dah standby buat lampu sikit 5 saat dia akan turun. Lepas tu bila hover tu saya akan start unlock. Tolak ke kanan ni.
Ni turun, dia turun, dia naik.
Ni. Lepas tu terus drive ni. Jangan ni. Jangan buat. Okay, so itu je.
Kalau guna
So for software, we need to register first. So we will input our name, our gender, our address, put our postcode, then our state. So we also need to include identity number and also telephone number. Then we need to create a username for the account. And we need also to create a password. After doing all of this, we can press the register button. To send SOX signal, we press login, then we insert our username and our password that we have created, then click on login button. After that, we can insert the number of people that with us at the moment. We also can select the number of severity based on the description. Then we select the supplies that we need from the selection button. Then we press on the view location to get our current location. Then press on the end SOS. Then for the mission part, there will be one ground crew and one rescue operator. The rescue operator will give the ground crew the victim's location to construct the flight path. Then the ground crew will arm the drone and the drone will perform a takeoff mission up to the safest altitude. After reaching the safest altitude, the drone will move following a flight path towards the victim's area. Along the flight path, the video footage will be captured so the ground station will able to monitor the affected area. Upon reaching the victim's location, the drone will decrease its altitude to a certain safest height to drop the payload, which is 6 meters from the victims. The victims need to move near the drone so the drone can detect their movement and the pilot can safely drop the payload. The victims can take the payload and after that move away from the drone so the drone can retract back the payload winch mechanism into its body fully. The drone will hover for 1 minute to make sure the payload mechanism is fully retracted. After 1 minute, the drone will increase back its altitude to the safest altitude before it return back to the launching base. At the launching base, the drone will perform a landing mission automatically. Here, when the drone is successfully landed, the pilot or the ground crew will disarm the drone and check the drone for post-flight.